Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy low messy bun. To start, I've left some hair out around the face. Next, we're going to take a section from just above the ear forwards, and we're going to take a slice of hair from both sides of the head. Bring these together at the back of the head and tie them together with a clear elastic band. Lift that ponytail up and divide the rest of the hair in half. Now we're just going to pop a clear elastic band on the right hand side of the head, probably about shoulder height, and then just repeat this on the left hand side. Next, make a hole above that elastic band, pass the ends through and pull it through so you create a twist. Then repeat this on the right hand side. Lift one of those twists straight up and apply some texture spray to the underside of that twist. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description box below for you. Then all we're going to do is use our fingers to pinch and pull at the edge of those twists to make them nice and messy. Take your fingers and pop them behind that first section, grab the twist and pull it through. Now we're going to hold it together with that small ponytail and join it all together with another clear elastic band. And then we're just going to repeat the same steps on the left hand side. Pinch and pull at the edges using your fingers. Slide your fingers behind that first section and grab hold of the end of that twist and pull it through. Now gather it together with that ponytail in the middle and join it with another clear elastic band. So taking that ponytail in the middle, we're going to add another elastic band level with the shoulders. Make a hole above that band and pull the ends through to create another twist. Lift the twist straight up and apply some texture spray. And then, just as we did with the other sections, pinch and pull at the edge to create more messy volume. And again, we're going to slide our fingers behind that first section and pull it all the way through so the tail ends are sticking out. Secure it to the head with a bobby pin. And then we're just going to push that bun to the head and secure it on both sides with a few more bobby pins. Wrap the tail ends around a bobby pin and then just push them up into the bun to hide them. Then just spend a few minutes pinching and pulling to make sure everything's nice and even. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.